Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers. Cheap Takoma Park local and long-distance movers near me. The logistics of planning a long-distance move in Takoma Park can be very intimidating. Not only do you have to move all of your stuff, but you'll also need to set up utilities, change your address, find housing, and much more. 3 Movers is a long-distance moving company that is here to help. Whether you're moving across Maryland or across the country, we offer reasonably priced long-distance moving service with guaranteed delivery dates. We'll handle your move with care and ensure you can focus on other, more important steps as you transition to your new home. To simplify your life with 3 Movers, our entire team of experienced, polite, and professional movers who operate throughout Takoma Park and the nearby areas, and we're always standing by to assist you. With hourly rates, transparent pricing, and guaranteed moving dates, we make it easy to move locally in Takoma Park. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Takoma Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.